So I hope you was able to install Python correctly on the operating system that you are working on currently, and was able to follow the verification steps to ensure that the installation was successful. If not, please do let me know and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Just try to share the steps that you did follow and the problem that you are running into. So throughout this course, we'll be using the Python interpreter to run our code. The Python interpreter is a command line tool that allows you to execute Python code interactively or by running scripts. We'll also introduce a popular and my personal favorite IDE, PyCharm, pretty early on, which do provide a more robust and feature-rich environment for writing and debugging Python code. IDEs such as PyCharm come with many useful features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and integrated debugging tools that can make your coding experience more enjoyable and efficient. So I will see you on the next video where we will write our first lines of code. See you there.